By the end of this video, you will know how to create and send invoices in QuickBooks Online. Start from the left navigation menu in QuickBooks Online and open Sales. From there, select Invoices to go to the Invoices page. This is where you can view existing invoices and begin a new one. Once you are on that screen, click Create Invoice to open a blank invoice form. When the invoice form appears, begin by selecting the customer. Choose the correct customer from your list so the invoice is tied to the right account. After that, fill in the invoice details shown on the form. This is the point where you enter the products or services you are billing for. Add each line item that applies and make sure the description, quantity, rate, or any other required fields match what you want to charge. As you enter the products or services, QuickBooks Online updates the invoice information on the screen. Continue filling out the form until all of the invoice details included in your instructions are in place. If your invoice includes more than one item, review each line before moving on so nothing is missing or duplicated. The goal here is to make sure the invoice reflects the correct customer and the correct charges before it is sent. Once the details are entered, take a moment to review the invoice. Look over the customer information, the products or services listed, and the amounts shown on the form. Confirm that the total is correct. This final check matters because the total is what the customer will receive and what QuickBooks will record with the invoice. After you have confirmed the total, click Review and Send. This opens the sending screen where QuickBooks prepares the invoice for email delivery. On this screen, verify the customer's email address before sending. Make sure the address shown is the one you want to use for this invoice. If needed, check that there are no typing errors and that the invoice is going to the correct contact. When the email address is verified, click Send. QuickBooks Online will send the invoice using the details you reviewed, including the customer selection, the listed products or services, and the confirmed total. At that point, the invoice has been created and delivered from within your QuickBooks Online account. Your invoice is now created and sent in QuickBooks Online.